The common question that gets asked in this business is, why? That's a good question, but an equally valid question is, why not? Why not build an Amazon warehouse in Estonian Narva? We are watching with great interest and enthusiasm the expansion of Amazon company in the European market. Unfortunately, one of the main advantages of Amazon, the fast delivery of goods, is not yet available to customers in a number of countries located in the northeast of Europe and in Russia. The majority of the population of these countries is concentrated around the Gulf of Finland. The large metropolis of St. Petersburg is also situated here. Narva is in the center of this densely populated region and on the very border of the EU and Russia. You can reach Narva from anywhere in this region in less than 12 hours. And by virtue of the direct railway connection between Narva and Moscow, the 15 million inhabitants of the Russian capital are also just within 12 hours from Narva. Other advantages of Narva include low-level costs associated with doing business, qualified Russian-speaking workforce to enforce expansion to the Russian market. Doing business in Narva means enjoying all the advantages of Estonia. Comfortable tax and business environment. Fully functioning electronic governance system in place. All vital operations of state administration and economic life are carried out online. Since Amazon is one of the world's high-tech leaders, e-governance may become an ideal environment for developing an Amazon online trading model for the future. The Estonian e-residence system is a true innovation on an international scale. Entrepreneurs from all over the world can register a company in the EU and manage it via the internet. This completely removes the barriers for non-EU citizens wishing to sell their goods via the FBA platform. It would be most convenient to locate the warehouse in Narva on the territory of the local production and logistics park, which belongs to the public sector development organization, IVIA. We are the owners of the land, and we guarantee an accelerated process of approvals and project implementation, as well as undertaking to provide any necessary support on the spot. If Amazon is ready to take another step on its European path, then the Estonian city of Narva can become a solid base for it. So, why not build an Amazon warehouse in Narva?